This is the fourth video in the quiz number 2 Revolve Queen chess piece. We've made the solid body of the queen. Now we want to focus on this crown to do the extruded cut to give it those scallops. I'm going to need to create a plane to sketch on because I can't sketch on any of these curved surfaces. It just doesn't work that way. So the easiest thing to do is to take a plane. Now what I'm going to do is essentially I'm going to use this plane as my model, and I want to put it 58 millimeters to the top, which, as we know, we've already used, is the very, very tippy top point of the queen. So now I have a flat plane I can sketch on up here. So sketch right on that thing. It moves you to the top view. And now I'm going to want to import some of these circles. Right? Make sure you're importing the crown because there are some base circles that you see beyond. Make sure you get this crown edge in there. It's very, very important. Okay, I'll go back to the top. And now I want to create these scallops. If you look over here, I'm kind of creating a bunch of tangent arcs. There are some construction circles I can use here as well. I can go 19.5. And make sure that that is concentric with the existing circle. And that is going to be the center point of those arcs. So those arcs will evenly split on both sides. Now there's a lot of ways to go from here to get this product. I'm going to show you one way that I think is a little easier, but we'll see. Everyone has a different experience here. I'm going to use nothing but 3-point arcs. I'm actually, scratch that. I'm going to do, I'm going to start here. I'm just going to create a guide. I'm going to try to do 1/4 of the arc instead of the whole thing and then pattern it. I feel like that will be easier. So here I need half an arc. Oh, and that's still construction, but I can toggle it back. And then I'm going to create, so let's see, if I cut that in half, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 full arcs. So there's 1, 2, and then I would do another half of arc here at the end. Oh, these are a little small, but I can kind of drag it and fix that. I'm going to use my equal sign so it knows all these should be equal together to each other. And these are going to be half of those. So I don't necessarily want to do that. I do want tangents on everything as well. Some of them already have them, but not all of them. And I know if I wanted half an arc here, this is going to be on this line, the center point. The same thing here, this center point is going to be on this vertical line. Okay. Now, just with tangents and some equals, that worked. So now I do need to, now I should be enclosed here. So let's go ahead and try and extrude cut this. Yes, this is going to work. Extrude cut. I just want to make sure I go completely through the surface. So for distance, I'm going to drag it down this way and stop somewhere around there. All right. So I've got 1/3 of it here. Now I could have done the whole thing. That would have been totally permissible, but I'm going to try it and do a pattern and see if that works. And that will be on the next video.